Okay, good evening. Now we are recording this. Okay, beta. So we have to start from this question. Find the sum and difference of each pair. Pairs are given to you. First of all, we will find out the sum. Okay. I want you to participate in this. Okay. Yeah. First of all, we will solve. We will find out the sum. Then we will find out the difference. It's two. It is in mixed fraction form, both of them. So our first purpose is to solve it. This is the first question, so I'm solving it for you. It would be 2 into 2 plus 1 whole divided by 2. And here we have 6 into 5 plus 4 whole divided by 2. I know, I think you know how to solve this, mixed fraction into normal one. Should I write down directly? Okay. 4 plus 1 is 5 over 2. And this is, BODMAS. Yeah, brackets of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So this is 6 into 5, 30. 30 plus 4 is 34. So this is 34 by 2. Now I think the denominator is same, my dear. So we can directly write down 5 plus LCM would be 2. So it would be 5 plus 34. 5 plus 34 is 39 by 2. Okay, this is the sum. So they have told us to find out this 39 by 2. I'll convert this again into a mixed fraction. 2 on the 2, then we have 1 9, 2 9 the 18, right? So what it would be? You know what will come here? Divisor will come here. This is quotient and this is remainder. So they have asked us what would be the sum of 2.5 and 5 is to 4 by 6. Our answer is 19 is to 1 by 2. If you have the answers in your book, you can tally down. All the answer would be correct. Don't worry. But you can tally it once. Okay. So this is one part. The second part is we have to find out the difference now. Difference means 2.5 minus 5 is to 4 by 6. 2.5. If you will solve it, it would be 5 by 2. It would be same beta. Already we have solved it here now. And what is 5 is to 4 by 6? If you will convert this into normal fraction. Very good. It is 34 over 2. Very right. Okay. Now you take the LCM. It's 2. 5 minus 34. 5 minus 34. Integers you know. Minus 29. 1 plus is there. 1 minus is there. Sign of bigger number will come. Okay. So this is. Now again you have to convert this into mixed fraction. 2 on the 2, right? 2 4 the 8, 1. So it is minus 14 to 1 by 2. So they have asked you what would be the difference. It would be minus 14 is to 1 by 2. I hope that is clear now. Okay. Similarly, you can try these question. I hope you're doing side by side. Otherwise, right now, when I'll finish the recording, then I'll share you all the pics. Okay. Okay. I'll share you this same PDF only. You want me to try question number 10 as well? Will you be able to do these remaining three? Okay. Okay, we can do one thing, my dear. We can try question number 9 for you. Okay. So, question number 9. There are two mixed fractions given to you. One is 3 is to 7 by 10. Another is 1 is to 2 by 15. We have to find out the sum now. Can you solve this mixed fraction into a normal one? What it would be, tell me. Very good. You know how to solve it. Okay, this would be 1 into 50. No, it's board mass. You have to multiply it first. 15 1 the 15. 15 plus 2, 17. Did you say 17 over 15? Okay, my fault. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, next step is LCM of 10 and 15. Do you know? No, it's 30. It's 30. 30. Just wait. See that 5 to the 10, 5 3 the. Now 2 1 the. You know how to take the LCM using common division method? So LCM is 5 into 2 into 3. And 5 to the 10, 10 3 the 30. Am I clear? Okay. So it's 37 by 10. Tell me how you have to make the denominator 30. What you are going to do? You will multiply it by 3. Okay. Then next we have it's 17 by 15. You will multiply it by 2. You have to make it 30 na? 30. So you have to 15 to the 30. Now 37 3 the 3 7 the 21. 3 3 the 9 and 2 11. If you will solve it, it would be 111 over 30. And 17 into 2, 34 over 30. Now denominator is same, you know that 30 will come and it would be 111 plus 34. This is 145 over 30. I hope this much is clear to you. Okay, can you tell me by which number I'll multiply numerator as well as denominator? I have to 7, but 30 is not divisible by 7 beta. We'll divide it by 5. So 145 over 5 is 29 and 30 over 5 is 6. Should I write down directly? I have to convert this into mixed fraction na. 6 4 the 24, 24 plus 5, 29. So this was the question. If you remember question number 9, the answer of sum is 4 is to 5 by 6. I hope that is clear. Okay, one more thing I am going to do here. Just wait. Now I have to find out the difference because they have told you this is ninth question, second part. Now 3 is to 7 by 10. Don't worry, I'll send you all these pics at the end, or I can send you this PDF in modified format. Okay, yeah, that in the end I'll do. Okay, 3 is to 7 by 10. If you'll solve it, it was 37 by 10 minus this was 17 by 15. Further, if you remember, I have multiplied by 3 here and here I have multiplied it by 2. So what you can do, my dear, you can write down directly here. Triple one means 111, right? 111 by 30 minus 34 over 30. Take the LCM, it's 111 minus 34. So only one thing I have to do, I have to subtract this 34 from 111. It's 77 over 20. And next thing which you got to do, you have to convert this into mixed fraction, okay? So you can write down 20, then 23 the 60 and 17 here. So our answer of difference is this. 3 is to 17 over 20, right? I hope you're doing side by side. Okay. Should I move? Yeah. Okay, just wait. Next we have is multiplying fractions. Okay. Dekho, in multiplying fractions, can you please read these steps which are written here? What you will do in multiplying fractions? Improper is the one which is there in lowest term. Okay. Mixed number, mix means sometimes it is, yeah, this is a mixed number. They are written like this. So you have to change all the mixed numbers into improper fractions. Then you have to divide the numerator and denominator. You can never divide this, here 9 you can't divide it by 7, but I mean to say you have to cut down in between numerator and denominator. I would like to explain you this with one of the example which is given on the right hand side. Question is 9 by 14 into 1 is to 1 by 6. Okay. This is a mixed number. You have to convert this into improper fraction. How you will do it? It's 1 into 6 plus 1 over 6. 6 plus 1 over 6 यानी कि 7 by 6. ठीक है? Is it fine? So next we have is 9 by 14 into 7 by 6. Now please see this 7 and 14, 7 is a multiple of 14. 7 to the 14, you know that. So this cut this 7 1 the 7, 7 to the 14. Similarly, 6 and 9 both are multiples of 3. 3 to the 6 and 3 3 the 9. Now next thing is you multiply, we are left with 3 into 1 over 2 into 2. 3 into 1 is 3, 2 into 2 is 4. I hope I am clear here. Okay, now we will do some unsolved questions. Let's see your skills in that. Carries, right? Okay, can you tell me, can I cut this 3 1 the and 3 3 the? I can cut numbers in numerator, denominator, but I cannot cut numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. Am I clear? And you also, please, you have the book in your hand or not? The same book? Okay, doesn't, yeah, it doesn't matter. You have the copy, na, rough copy, you can do in that directly. Anything else getting cut here? Is 7 and 2, can you cut it? No, you need not to convert that into a mixed number. You cannot cut it. So we are left with 1 into 2 over 7 into 3. Can you tell me the answer now? Answer is 2 over 21. Simple. Multiply numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. Don't worry. After trying one or two, you'll reach to the conclusion. Don't worry. We'll try this next one. Can you please read question number 12? Yeah, it's 2 is to 3 over 4. Can you please, it's a mixed number, mixed fraction. Can you convert this into an improper one? Very right. It's 11 over 4. So our question reduces to 5 over 22 into 11 over 4. Is 22 a factor of 11? Yeah. Is 11
Yes, it is.
Can you cut it? 11 1 the 11 2 the.
Pardon?
Can I cut like this? 11 1 the 11 and 11 2 the 22.
Yes.
And can I cut this 2 and 4? 2 to the 4. Both are there in denominator. Can I cut this 2 into 4?
Yes.
No, 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 my dear, you can never cut because both are there in denominator. I told you have, okay, you can cut only between numerator and denominator. You can never cut a numerator number with a numerator number, and similarly a denominator number with a denominator number. So what is your final answer? 5 into 1 is 5 over 8. Very right. Okay. Can you please read question number 13 for me? Can you solve this mixed number, mixed fraction 1 is to 7 by 12? What it would be? 19 over 12. Very right. 12 plus 7 is 19. Okay, now tell me, can I cut this 12 with 2? Is 12 comes in table of 2? Yeah, how many times? Yeah, by what number you will multiply 2 so that 12 will come? You know table of 2? Okay, I'll help you out. 2 6 the 2 into 6 is 12. Are you there? I hope my voice is audible to you. So answer is 19 over 30. Please keep on doing side by side. Am I audible now? Is my screen visible to you? Okay, we are moving. Am I audible now? Okay, answer of 13th is 19 over 30. I hope that is clear to you. Okay, we are moving on question number 14. I want you to solve it. Can you please read it first? Can you please solve it 3 is to 4 by 7?
Uh, 25 over 7.
Very good, 25 over 7. Okay, now tell me 10 and 25. By what number I can cut them?
10 and 25.
Yeah. Is there any number? Very good, 5. 5 to the 5 the. And can I cut this 7 1 the 7?
No.
I can cut it 7 1 the 7. And both
Oh, okay.
and they one is there in numerator, another is there in denominator. So you can cut it. We are left with 1 into 5 over 2 into 1. So answer is 5 by 2. Should I write down directly 2 and a half? 2 whole 1 over 2 is, or 2 and a half is one and the same thing. Okay. Can you please read question number 15 for me, and I want you to solve it as well. One whole 3 over 14. Okay. Also, I'm trying to speak like you because here in India we are speaking in a different manner. I said nobody says over here. Everybody says by. Okay. Okay, no issue. I'll try to speak in your manner as you are speaking in Canada. Can you please solve this 2 whole 5 over 8? It's 2 into 8 plus 5 over 8. Okay, this is 16 plus 5, 21 over 8. Very right. What about this one? The next one, 1 whole 3 over 14. 17. 14 plus 3 is 17. Okay, next thing is we'll find out the LCM of this 8 and 14. 2 4 the 8, 2 7 the 8 and 14 LCM we need to find out. 56. 56. 2 into 4 into 7, right? You are also finding LCM using common division or using prime factorization? Acha, you are not sure. Don't worry. But you know this method, na? This is called common division method. I'll send you this corrected PDF, right? Whatever I have written, you will get it. This is called common division method for finding out LCM, lowest common multiple. Okay, now the LCM of 8 and 14 is 56. Now you have to convert these two denominators, which are 8 and 14, you have to convert them to 56. Can you tell me by what number I'll multiply? 8. By what number I'll multiply 8 so that it becomes 56? 7. 8 7 the 56. Okay. And here I am writing it, okay, at the bottom. Next is 17 by 14. Can you tell me by what number I'll multiply it? Multiply 14, 1 4 14, so that it becomes 56. You know table of 14. In your country, beta, calculator is allowed na? So actually, what happens in India, calculator is not allowed till college level mathematics. Yeah. So all these calculation na we are doing in our mind. But I remember Namya told me that calculator is allowed there. So you can do all that multiplication with the help of Kelsey, right? Okay. But I know a calculator is allowed in your exam as well, na?
It depends on the test.
Acha, it depends on the test. Okay. So what you can do, my dear, is acha, in some of the exams it's not allowed. Okay.
Yeah.
Actually, Namya was there in grade 10 with me. At that time, we were discussing few topics, trigonometry. At that time, she told me, "Chalo, leave it. 14 for the 56, right? 14 times 4 is 56. So now you multiply this 20. I'm doing the multiplication part for you. We are left with 121 into 7 is 147 and 8 7 the 56. All this this is multiply in between, okay? here multiplication. देखो all that calculation I am doing it in my mind. I don't have any calculator. ये नहीं है. I have it's not so I have opened calculator somewhere, but I know tables till 20 25. Okay, so that's why I'm going to do these calculation easily. Here in India we used to memorize table till 20, till 25, 35, depends. Okay. Okay, next is 17 into 4, 68, and for one mistake I did here. It was not plus here, it was multiply. Just wait, I have to rub this. Sorry, my fault. Actually, I thought it's plus sign here, but it's multiply. I'm doing that correction part, beta. Can you please correct this? You can rub that. I'm coming back to the question. Sorry, that's fault from my side. I thought it's plus here, but it's multiply here, right? So you, no issue, no issue. It happens sometimes. So we are left with 21 over 8 into 17 over 14, right? Can you tell me 21 and 14, they are divisible by same number. Can you guess that number? By what? 7, 7. 7 to the 7 into 2 is 14 and 7 into 3 is 21. Am I clear? Okay, nothing else is getting divisible. So our answer is 3 into 17 over 8 into 2. 17 into 3 is 51 and 8 into 2 is 16. 16. Further convert this into mixed fraction again. 16 3 the 48 plus 3. Answer is 3 whole 3 over 16. I hope that's clear to you. That was slightly tricky. No issue. Can you try this 16 and 17 in your homework? Yeah. Okay. Should I move to the next question? Yeah, just hold on. Just hold on. See that? Don't worry, I'll send you this PDF. If something is left that you can do, it's up to you. I hope we are not moving fast. Okay. Okay. So these 16, 17, you will do it yourself. Okay. Now I want you to read question number 18, 1818 on your screen now. Can you please? Thank you. So Joe walked 1/3 of the journey to the library from his house to meet his cousin Lucy. So my dear, Joe's house is, what is the distance between distance? These are word problems. So you have to write down statements, okay? Distance between Joe's house and library is how much? 1. Can you please solve it? What it would be? 4 into 1 plus 3. Very good. It's 7 over 4. But Joe has walked only 1/3. Suppose this was Joe's house at point A, library was at point B. but Joe has walked only this distance, AC, which is, so you can write down distance traveled by Joe. How much it is? 1/3 of his journey from library to his house, means 1/3 of 7/4 kilometer. As I have mentioned earlier as well, that 1/3 and of means multiply into 7/4. How much it would be? It would be 7/12 kilometer. So answer is 7/12 kilometer. What was the distance, walked by Joe? It's 7/12 kilometer. Are answers there in your book now? You can tally down all answer. All will be correct. Don't worry. But you can tell it once. Okay. Later on at the end of the class, you can tell it down. If any answer is different, you can let me know.
That's fine.
You can note down this and then we can move to question number 19.
We can move on.
Okay, can you please read question number 19?
A bag of flour weighs 3.4 kilograms, and Katie used 1/3 of a bag of flour to make a cake. How much flour has it
Okay, a bag of flour. यहाँ इसे for बोलते हैं, right? So what is the amount of I'm writing statement wise, okay? This in bag. How much it was there in bag? It is used for making, actually here in India na, we with the help of this na, we make chapatis. That is a kind of so suppose in my bag, it how much of amount is this? 3 is to 3 whole 3/4 kg. Can you please solve it?
Okay, so
Very good. It's 15/4 kg is the amount capacity of that, right?
yes.
Now ये जो भी name, whatever the name is, Katie, she has used 1/3 of it to make cake. So write down amount of this use for making cake. How much amount is used? 1/3 of 15/4 kg, means it's 1/3 into 15/4. 5. The answer is 5/4. Can you convert this into mixed fraction? Yeah, 1 whole 1/4. I hope that's clear. These are called word problems, right? Do they discuss these problem in school as well from your book?
Yes, actually, if you go on word forms, they're very beneficial.
Definite, but the procedure we have to move according. If you know how to solve multiplication fractions, multiply base, then only what is the difference between only word problem? You have to make statements. That's it. Rest operations, whatever operations are there, whether it's addition, subtraction, multiplication, that you have to do like this. Now should I move forward? Okay, next is dividing fraction. Can you please read this? How to divide fractions? Procedure of that?
First, two equal fractions, whether it's two equal fractions, that is
Okay, so we have to solve this now. This is based on dividing fractions. Again, I'll say you have to convert all mixed numbers into improper fractions. Then, first of all, I would like to solve this with the help of one example which is there on your right hand side. It's 3 by 4 divided by 1 whole 1 by 8. Yeah, 1 over 8. Okay. First of all, I have to convert this into mixed fraction. Okay. Here they have solved it. 1 whole 1 by 8 is 9 by 8, right? So this is 3 by 4 divided by 9 by 8. I hope that's clear to you. Now, if you have to convert this divide into multiplication, then it would be the reciprocal of 9 by 8, which is 8 by 9. I hope I'm clear here. Here 9, here 9 by 8 was like this, na? It was like this in divide. So if you have to convert this divide into multiply, then 9 by 8 in multiply it will become 8 by 9, 8 over 9. Now you write like this, 3 by 4 into 8 by 9. You know 3 and 9, you can cut 3 and 9, 3 1 the, 3 3 the. Similarly 4 and 8, 4 1 the, 4 2 the 8. Answer is 2 by 3. I hope that's clear to you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now next thing which we will do is we will find, this is very simple. Can you please tell me, find the reciprocal of each fraction? Can you please read it first? 20th. No, first read this. Find the reciprocal.
Oh,
Okay. Now what is reciprocal? देखो, very simple. The reciprocal of a number, reciprocal of, suppose a fraction is there in this format, a over b, then its reciprocal would be its reverse, b over a. I hope I'm clear here. So the reciprocal of 14 over 19 is 19 over 14. Clear? Yeah. Simple as that. I want you to convert this into a mixed fraction. Can I do it directly like this? 1 whole 5 over 14. Okay. Can you please tell me the answer of 21st? It's very simple. नहीं, this one 6 by 5. It's very simple. 5 over 6. Simple as that. Okay. Okay, now before finding the reciprocal of 1 whole 2 over 7, I'll convert this into a improper fraction. Can you tell me what it would be?
oh, 9 over 7.
Very good. Now can you tell me its reciprocal of 9 by 7? 7 over 9. Simple as that. Okay, ये मैं rub कर, this I'm rubbing because they have asked the reciprocal part that I have written 7 over 9. Okay, can you please solve this 4 whole 6 over 11? What it would be? 4 into 11 plus 44 plus 6, 50 over 11. And what would be the reciprocal of 50 over 11? Very good. Now tell me directly, reciprocal of 1 by 3
3 over 1.
or simply 3. Come on, reciprocal of 5. 5 can be written as 5 by 1. 5 by 1 reciprocal is 1 over 5. Okay, very good. Now we will move to the next problem, which is doing the division part. I'll try one or two questions for you so that you can understand it, because these are a bit new for you. Okay. First question is 14 divided by 7 by 8. And if you have to convert this 7 by 8, you have to convert this divide into multiply, then you will do the reciprocal here. The reciprocal of 7 by 8 would be 8 by 7, and 14 also you can write it 14 by 1. Can you tell me, can I cut this 7 and 14? 7 1 the 7, 7 2 the 14. So we are left with 2 into 8, and 2 into 8 is 16. So answer of 26 question is 16. I hope that's clear to you.
Yes, sir.
Can you please read 27th question for me?
9 over 13 divided by 1 over.
Can you please solve this 1 whole 1 over 8?
Okay. It's 9.
9 over 8. Now that is the main step. You tell me this divide. This is the symbol of divide. 9 by 13 divide. But I have to convert this divide into multiply. So what should I write? What will happen to 9 over 8? Will it become 8 by 9 or not? Very good. It will turn to reciprocal. Okay. Can you cut this 9 1 the 9 and 9 1 the 9 here? Rest nothing is getting cancelled. So the answer is 8 divided by 13. 8 over 13. Am I clear? Okay, the question which I am leaving is you have to complete them into homework. Okay. Next is 30th. I want you to read 30th question. 27 padi. 30th. 30th.
Oh, okay. 27 over 1 divided by 4 whole
4 whole 10 over 11. Okay. Can you please solve this 4 whole 10 over 11? What it would be? Plus 10. So it would be 27 divided by 44 plus 10 is 54. Now please can you tell me, if I want to convert this divide into multiply, what it would be? 54 over 11 will turn to,
54 over 11.
can you do
11 over 54.
54? You have to make its reciprocal, no? And you know this 27 and 54 both are divisible by 3 first of all. देखो 27 you can write down 27 by 1. Check it. 3 9 the 27 and 3 18 the 54. Then 9 1 the 9 and 9 2 the 18. So the answer is 11 by 2. Convert this into mixed fraction. This is 5 whole 1 over 2. You can do it directly as well. 27 into 2 is 54 if you want to do directly. I hope you're doing side by side.
Yes, I am.
Should I move to the next question? 30 seconds.
Yes, please.
Can you please read it?
Solve the problem. How axis down the graph backs a tray on how cut this tray please.
Okay. I'll pack this box of apples into bags, each holding one whole 1 over 4 kg of apple. And how many bags do I need? The figure is there on your right hand side. And what is the total weight of the apples?
8 whole and 3 over 4 kilograms.
Okay, total weight of apples. Can you please solve it? I'm waiting for the answer. 8 whole 3 over 4. It would be
35 over 4.
very good. This is the total weight. And what is the capacity of each bag? Capacity, you know. How many apples a bag can hold? Yeah. Capacity of one bag. One whole 1 over 4. Can you please solve it?
The answer is 5 over 4.
Yeah. So number of, should I write down W1, W2? I can make statement easy for you. So number of bags would be W1 over W2 divided by W2. So it's 35 by 4, 35 over 4 divided by 5 over 4. Just tell me one thing. If I have to convert this divide into multiply, what it would be? What will happen to 5 by 4? It will become
4 over 5.
4 over 5. Very good. So 5 vanda, 5 7 da, 4 vanda, 4 vanda. I hope that is visible to you.
Yes, sir.
So answer is 7. So how many bags would be required? 7.
7 bags.
Okay. Can you please do this 33rd in homework? कि भाई whatever the bag was, if there are 5 apples in a bag, how heavy is an apple? That is, I want you to use your mind, okay, in that. Can we solve these questions now? Okay, can you please read 37th, 34th, sorry, or you want to do science?
You can do science.
Okay, I'm switching. Okay, thank you. Just hold on for a moment.